guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we have this Olympiad type challenge on the board. It's both an exponential equations and of course simultaneous. So our goal is to find the values of A and B. Let's see how we solve this question. But before we start, please, if today is your first time coming across my YouTube channel, I will kindly ask you to subscribe to my channel, give me a like, and then of course leave me a comment, okay? If you are a returning subscriber, please like my video, share it, and then also subscribe, okay? Now let's see how we solve this question. We have solution 6 to the power of A plus 6 to the power of B equal to 42. Call that equation 1. And then of course we have A plus B equal to 3. Call that equation 2. So what we are going to do, because of this A plus B, what we are going to do is to say multiply equation 1 by 6 to the power of A. That's, we are going to multiply equation 1 by 6 to the power of A. So we have 6 to the power of A times 6 to the power of A plus 6 to the power of B equal to 42 times 6 to the power of A. So once that is done, on the left we open up the bracket to have 6 to the power of A times 6 to the power of A plus 6 to the power of A times 6 to the power of B equal to, this is our B, equal to 42 times 6 to the power of A. Now we continue from that end. Here we are going to apply the law of indices. Here we apply the law of indices to these two terms. So in that case we are going to have 6 to the power of A plus A, okay, then plus 6 to the power of A plus B equal to 42.6 to the power of A. This will give us 6 to the power of A plus A is 2A, and of course 6 to the power of A plus B equal to 42.6 to the power of A. And here, I'm going to apply a law here. The law is, if you have A to the power of m, then all to the power of n. This will give me A to the power of m times n, which is the same as A to the power of nm. Okay? To the power of nm. So I'm going to rewrite this to give me 6 to the power of A, all to the power of 2, plus 6 to the power of A plus B equal to 42.6 to the power of A. Now, don't forget that A plus B is 3. So this becomes 6 to the power of A squared plus 6 to the power of 3. Since A plus B equal to 3, that is equation 2, equal to 42.6 to the power of A. And from here, I'm going to move over to this end here, so that I can continue the solution on this side of the board. Now, so this gives me, from there we have 6 to the power of A, all to the power of 2, plus 6 to the power of 3 is 216, equal to 42.6 to the power of A. So what I'm going to do here is to say, let P equal to 6 to the power of A. Let P equal to 6 to the power of A, so that, I write this properly. Let P equal 6 to the power of A, so that this equation becomes P squared plus 216 equal to 42 times P. So I'm going to rewrite everything so that we have P squared minus 42P plus 216 equal to 0. See, this becomes quadratic. This becomes quadratic. And then, of course, I'm going to factorize the middle term by simply saying p squared minus 6p minus 36p plus 216 will give me 0. Because you know that 6 minus 6 minus 36 will give us minus 42. So I can group and then factorize. So once I group and factorize, I'm going to get p is common. P is common, okay? So minus p minus 6. Then of course we have minus 36 bracket p minus 6 equal to 0. So let me move over to that side. So on this side, we further have p bracket p minus 6. Okay, then you have minus 36 bracket p minus 6 equal to 0. So we have p minus 6 times p minus 36 equal to 0. So from here now, we're going to have is either p minus 6 equal to 0 or p minus 36 equal to 0, where p will be equal to 6 or p will be equal to 36. So there are two cases now. Okay, there are two cases. So for case 1, don't forget that we have a and b, and then p is equal to 6 to the power of a. So once we get the value of a, we will also have to get the value of b. So for case 1, p equal to 6. So if p equal to 6, then it means that 6 to the power of a will be equal to 6 to the power of 1. So both sides, the 6 will cancel out, and then a equal to 1. And don't forget that, but we know that, or let's say recall that a plus b equal to 3. Okay, a plus b equal to 3, and if a is 1, that means 1 plus b equal to 3, and then b will be equal to 3 minus 1, b is equal to 2. Therefore, case 2. So here we can conclude, before we move on to case 2, we can conclude from here that, therefore, a equals to 1 and b equal to 2. So this is the first case, solution for the first case. Therefore, case 2, p is 36. Okay, so if p is 36, it means that 6 to the power of a will be equal to 6 to the power of 2. And then on both sides, the 6 will cancel out, so a will be equal to 2. Now, if a equal to 2, the same way here, we will recall that a plus b is equal to 3. So if a equal to 2, then we have that 2 plus b will be equal to 3, and then b will be equal to 3 minus 2. That's b equal to 1. Therefore, we can conclude by saying that, therefore, for case 2, a equal to 2, b equal to 1. So there you have it. So guys, that's the solution. Those are the solutions to the question that we have initially. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and then I'll see you in the next video.